This is Carson DeLusa and Mark Twain's Life Science Interactive book. I got this because I did not have time to run through a full science curriculum. We were just doing math and writing. But I did want to supplement the science. So here we have the table of contents. You don't have to do all of them, but it would be ideal because the whole point of the interactive notebook is that they're building their own reference book. So you get a spiral bound notebook, and then the diagrams, the interactive stuff is on the left side and the lesson is on the right, and it's followed by an experiment that's optional. It comes with a rubric, so if you don't know how to grade it, this was a very big help to me, and it kind of set expectations. It's just a standard for my son, so he sees what he's supposed to be doing. This is the cover page. As you can see, it's detailed enough. The lessons are short enough. They can work on this independently. This is my son's. We just started life science. We finished earth science last year. And here we have, this is one of the pages, diffusion osmosis. We have the diagrams, they're interactive, they're flipped through. It has all the instructions. Very easy to follow. Then we have the lesson right here on the right. He highlights what he thinks is important. I always encourage him. I want to see a lot of color, and that's actually what the rubric requires you. Is like you have to really be invested into it. You do have to reproduce the pages. That's the only downside, but it's honestly well worth the effort because you get to keep it. If you have other students, I get to keep it for my other kids, and yeah, I mean, there's really can't get better than this, especially if you're swamped with grammar, literature. I mean, this is kind of just enough so they're not just doing a workbook and reading and getting bored, especially if you have a kinesthetic learner. They're actually cutting, pasting, coloring. I started using interactive at 4th grade. My son's in 8th grade, and I still have him do this. I pair it with a video, or I'll have him write a summary, which is very easy because the reference is right in front of him. Here's biomes. Yeah, I mean, this is perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed.